Imagine saving thousands of shillings on fuel only to come and start spending hundreds of thousands replacing an electric car's battery. As electric car owners are increasing and even the cars themselves are increasing, there's one question most car owners need to ask themselves. Is my insurance ready to cover them? Here are 3 common mistakes electric car owners are making when it comes to choosing the best coverage for their cars. 1. Assuming that the electric car insurance is the same as their conventional cars. While the same principles apply, most electric cars have different components altogether. They have unique components such as batteries, charging systems, and even advanced electronics that may require special consideration. It's important when choosing the right coverage for yourself, you need to check your policy details and to be able to see that they can be able to match your specified components and every single aspect of your vehicle. Number 2, choosing a policy based on the lowest premium. While saving money is okay, at the same time you end up having out-of-pocket costs when making a claim. So when choosing a policy, always look beyond the premium. Always look at what it covers so that you can be able to get your value of money. And number 3, taking out a policy and never reviewing it again. What we say is this: when you take a cover, always look at the finer details, because as technology advances, so is everything. So you might find out you have an electric car, but when you review your documents, you might find that usage patterns have changed, charging options have also changed, and even insurance solutions have changed. So always reviewing your policy document ensures that you stay up to date with the latest solutions and always the better coverage for yourself. Electric vehicles are shaping the future of mobility in Kenya, and you need to learn to be able to stay up to trend with that, and also your insurance is ready for that. Speak to our team today to review your motor insurance and also to protect your investment with confidence.